Good morning, Codebox. I'm going to explain how my basically commercial elevator works, which, to be honest, was a little more complicated this week. So basically, we start here with a battery, which is sole purpose going to be to host basically every single column and create them. So when you hit the button, it's gonna actually choose the right column. So we basically start here creating our list, creating our functions here. We start here creating the basement. Depends basically if you have a basement or not. It's gonna use exactly. It's basically going depending what you input. If you want to go to the minus the basement or not, it's gonna create it or not. Then we have the basically this is going to create our main columns. It's gonna create it basically depending on the number of floors and basements that you input, the amount of columns. It's going to calculate how many floors per column, and it's going to create them. From here, we basically create basically everything we need to make our columns elevator work. Here we create the floor request buttons. They're gonna be exactly inside the elevator. We keep going. Let's say okay, we create everything we get here to find our best column depending basically on the requested floor that the user is going to input. Uh, let's say he choose says the I don't know the 45 floor. Is going to basically with this function here is going to basically okay 45 floor. That's the column sorry column B. So from there, what we do is basically we take chosen column, we use it to find the best elevator, and the chosen elevator is gonna basically be sent to move. How we should find the chosen best elevator is gonna be actually in column. We're going to use basically after we create the button everything, we're going to create a function, a method use find elevator. Basically, that's going to use like a point system, depending of the points that you get depending of the location, the direction, the the status of the elevator, stop, idle. That is gonna depending of where the elevator goes, which condition use is going to be sent down here to check if elevator is better. It's going to check it for basically elevator. If it's better, it's going to return the best elevator information. There's gonna basically follow a chain that's going to be sent here to find base elevator. That's called right here as we can see. Find base elevator. If we check here in find base elevator, the floor always going to be one because that's no matter where you are with the elevator is always going to send you to the first floor. So that's why. So after that, we basically add in a request. We move with elevator. Move. We open. Close the door. Move. Open the doors. Get rid of the request. Close. Move. Open the doors. If you go here to elevator, we can see uh, the move function right here is going to let's say depending where you go move sort the floor list current duration current move is going to add to the completed request list. So basically it's going to tell the program the user, hey, you're here, you're there, you made it. So yeah, that's basically a full circle of how my elevator works. Thank you very much.